what's happening YouTube? Happy Sunday, guys. Welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you guys what I cop on at the Ontario outlet mall. As you can see, I got this at the Nike store. So let's go ahead and then get this unboxed. So I got this NFS Flight 23. This is the long sleeve Dri-Fit. I got this Air Jordan logo right there, the Jumpman. This is 3XL. I know this is not my size, and made in China. Not sure you can see if it's, you can see through. So it's a pretty good material. It's pretty soft. And you got this Jordan imprints on the left and right arms. I thought it was a pretty nice piece. And you got a Jordan on the other side. And on the back it is plain. So you guys won't believe how much I copped this for. You guys want to guess? I'll give you a couple seconds to guess. Alright, here you go. I'm going to reveal the price for you guys to check it out. Original suggest price is $45. Okay. And then keep on going down, $24.99, and then $21.99. And then I thought I was looking at something wrong. At first I thought it was $19.99, but look at the price. I got this at $9.97. And there's also an additional discount price of 30% that they were having a promotion. I believe it ends today. So I copped this yesterday and just didn't have time to do the video. So this is how much I pay. Supposed to be $9.97 minus 30% off becomes $6.97. And then add the tax, 54 cents. So the total is $7.51. Okay. And my son got a $10 reward card, but we didn't want to use this on this piece because we'd rather use the whole amount. So that reward will not expire until April something, or April 15th or somewhere around there. So we will be going back and then see if we could get something and then use that reward cards. All right. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys like this video and then give a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel if you guys are new, and then be sure to turn on the bell for notification. Also share this with your friend, family on social media, or drop me in the comments down below. All right. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video, like always. Peace.